Hello guys, welcome back. As our progress series is being progressing, now I think we will work on the checkout part, and of course we will include have been included the Stripe payment. You can use this for your practice. You can receive payments online from your website, and Stripe is a good way. For example, you have created a online video tutorial site and you want to make paid courses. So Stripe is a good way to receive your payments, and Stripe is using everywhere basically to receive your payments, right? Okay, and this is basically a test account we'll use. Will not properly receive any payment. This is basically a test account, so we'll play with it. Okay, if I just go to my text editor again, and first of all I need to create a new controller. PHP artisan make controller, and the name of the controller would be this time checkout controller, right? And if you just put R flag at the end of your controller, then it will basically add a resource for it. We will create a resource manually because we will not use all the resource. So if you just go to checkout controller, there we go. And then first of all we need to go to our front directory of views, and then we will create a new view called, I think we just call this, of course, checkout. And then simply we need to create a index blade file here. There we go. And then extend layouts, front layouts master, and then the section would be content, and end of the section. Hello from checkout. So you see how it works. Yeah, the route is not created. We need to go create a simple route for it. Route get checkout, and then the controller would be front controllers, checkout controller index method, and then the index method, we will create index method, and that would return us front checkout index, right? Okay, so let's just save and then checkout. There we go. Hello from checkout. And if you just go to our desktop and then front checkout, there we go. We just need this. Okay, all right, so grab this in our text editor and then copy all the content from here and just paste them. I mean, we don't need container because container already exists in our master file, and we need the basic setting here. Okay, so we need to close this and then go ahead and reload the page. Not this page basically. There we go. Okay, so our checkout page is integrated, and now we need, the next task is we need to grab dynamic data from here, and then we'll be work on form and then Stripe things, right? So see you in the next video.